Good day, everybody. Here is a video of us baling. We have our two balers in the field. They're 210 Marcrest balers, high capacity balers. Currently, we're getting about 800 bales an hour out of each baler. That's on an average. We can get it up to 1,200 bales an hour, but as a common what we're getting per baler per hour, it's about 800. And that works really well with the 5250T Marcrest Bale Baron. If you go around 800, it just keeps the table full enough that it's making decent time, but it's not overflowing. It's not building up, and it's making a consistent size bale, consistent size weight as well. Uh, on these balers, we have a 200 Magnum, which is just enough horsepower, maybe even a little bit shy on the horsepower, and a 237R John Deere, which would be in the kind of the same ballpark. If we were to probably do it over again, we would probably get 30 more horsepower or 40 more horsepower per tractor just to keep up with it. We have CVX transmission for the Case IH and an IVT transmission for the John Deere. Really like that variable speed. Makes it a little bit easier for us in the field, especially if you're going at a little bit higher speeds. You can dial it back a little bit quicker, speed it up if you need to. This field that we're in right now, that is an OAT field. It was one of our first fields that we took off of the year. The yields were a little bit lower on that field. We were only going about 70 bale the acre on first cut, which is pretty low for us. But it was really early when we cut it. That was kind of why we had lower yields, expecting to have better second cut yields due to this. But as you can see, we're flying along pretty good speed, making some good time. This field's only a 20-acre field, but we're getting it done in a pretty quick order, which is, of course, a big deal. So if you like this kind of video, you want to see more of our content, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pioneer Hay Sales. Go on and follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Pioneer Hay Sales as well. Thanks for watching.